Hey everyone, it's Michael and
Ruben
from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, bringing you all the mod cons. What do we got in here?
We have physical Bitcoin, Michael.
Cryptocurrency.
That's the one.
Now, where do we start? Gold or silver?
Let's go gold.
Let's go gold.
Yep.
Alrighty.
Go for gold.
So these are always a bit controversial,
Particularly at a bullion dealer.
particularly in a bullion dealer. So these are the 2024 edition. We've had the 23s before.
Yep.
At least I think it was 2023 when we last had them.
Could have been a couple of years ago, I don't know.
And these came up on our screen, so we thought we should grab some of these because these are popular. So if you're into crypto, you know someone that's into crypto, or you want to make a point about how crypto's digital, not physical, here is your answer.
I think the point I made last time, and it will be true again this time, is it also allows you to take photos for articles and things. And always, every time Bitcoin is mentioned, they love to have these physical versions of the coins just to kind of show what they're talking about.
Oh, a string of ones and zeros.
Well, that's
really,
it. So it's always these gold and silver Bitcoin rounds that they show.
And look, they are really well made. They're not a dodgy production. They're actually a very beautiful production. So I'll give them full marks for that.
And a bit of circuitry on the back there.
Yeah. So whether you love or you hate Bitcoin, this is a great way to get it. With a bit of physical backing to it. So that's the 1 ounce in gold. Let's also have a look at the 1 ounce in silver. So we haven't got buckets of these. We just kind of brought them in for a bit of fun.
Yep. I was chatting to a couple of our crypto experts that grace our halls, and a few people were saying that it's running a bit hot at the moment. So
the old crypto is, but there again, so is the old gold.
That's it. So you can. Why can't we have both, Michael?
I've been on camera before saying I don't believe it's an or. I believe it's all these things are options.
We do see a bit of crossover with our customers sometimes. We'll have people sometimes swapping back and forth depending on what things are doing, and I know that can make us nervous sometimes because, like you said, we do view them very much as different kind of investments.
Yeah, it's when you discuss or start talking that they're digital gold that really starts to get me nervous. Or where people go all in, they swap a fairly stable asset, i.e. gold, for a potentially volatile asset and expect it to do the same thing. That's where I start to get very concerned.
But sometimes people like that volatility. It's that volatility that can lead to
in certain investments, I'm a big fan. So long as you recognise its volatility, I don't think it's a bad thing in and of itself. It's when you're doing a direct swap and assuming that gold and cryptocurrency, particularly some of the altcoins, when you view them as similar things, that's where I believe you're doing yourself an injustice. Because you are taking, like I said before, a very stable asset that has proven its history over thousands of years, literally, and swapping it for something that is quite volatile. And even Bitcoin I would consider volatile. Anything that can shoot up 100% in less than 12 months has to have a degree of volatility. You're swapping it out for something quite volatile. Now, enough with the economics lectures.
So we have the medallion tubes here, which I believe should hold 20 of these 1 ounce silver rounds.
Put me on the spot if you're going to say that. You are correct.
Fantastic. And then the same as the gold, but in the silver.
Yeah. Actually, part of me prefers these in the silver than the gold, just because it tends to stand out better. So you can see so when I put the gold next to it, it's an identical design, just in a different metal format.
No capsules on these individual silver ones, but if you're ordering just a couple, we tend to endeavour to try and put it in a bit of an aftermarket capsule.
That's right. So look, they're absolutely 1 ounce of gold, 1 ounce of silver. It's all the 4 nines and all the rest of the stuff that goes with it. So they're absolutely a serious thing. However, they're great fun because they just add variety and conversation point to your stack.
Yeah.
Whether that be you're a die-hard crypto nut or whether you're a skeptic, it doesn't matter. It kind of just it aids the discussion points and highlights certain things, and it's potentially a good investment at the same time. So, and they're not crazy expensive with premium, at least I don't believe so. So I think they're good. We don't have a heck of a lot of them. When we brought them in for fun, it's very unlikely we're going to bring in any more. So once they're gone, they're gone. So you know I'm assuming that'll be done for 2024. I don't think we'll keep chasing them very hard. So grab them while you can. Good fun. Hopefully a good investment, and great to give to people who are either, again, crypto fans or non-crypto fans, just to start the discussion.
Good stuff. All right, thank you very much, Michael. We will see you in the next video.
Sounds good. See ya.